Hi everyone, I am back again. I want to share with you a quick and easy DIY beverage recipe that is so perfect for entertaining. This is the pink lemonade with a twist that is so good and so flavorful. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So I will make sure that I leave a link for our other really quick and easy beverage recipe, but like the Very Berry Splash, this is also a quick and easy one that doesn't have a lot of ingredients in here. So what I am using today, I have a spoon here so that you can stir it. I have my big measuring cup. I also have a pitcher, just based off the last one with the container. I just wanted to have a good working amount of space, but after I mix everything up, then I'll take this pitcher and pour it into the actual container that I'll be serving in. We also have some white cranberry juice cocktail. I have 1 can of the frozen pink lemonade. I have some club soda here. And I also have some sliced lemons that we'll add inside the pitcher once we get everything poured. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to add 4 cups of the white cranberry juice. And I have my big cup measure here, and it goes up to 4 cups. So we'll just fill this up and we will put it in our pitcher. Okay, and then after we have that, we'll add the 1 can, the 12 ounce, the pink lemonade concentrate. We'll just dump that over in there without making a mess. And we are going to give this a really good stir. And I'm just stirring it until the pink lemonade concentrate was already kind of thawing out. So I'm just stirring until it kind of thaws and becomes a liquid with the white cranberry juice cocktail. Okay, so I stirred everything up really nice, and what I did is I cut up about 3 lemons, and so I poured the lemon slices in here. So at this point, what you're going to do is you're going to put your lid on, and you're going to let this chill for about an hour. But if you would like, you can make this the day prior. That way everything will be nice and merry and very flavorful. Now at the beginning of the video, I said that we will need club soda, and we will need 1 quart of club soda, but you're not going to pour it in there at this point. What you're going to do is let your beverage chill, and then you will take this out. You'll pour 1 quart of the club soda in here right before you're serving your guests. And the reason that you're doing that is because you don't want the club soda to go flat. And so I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. Once I get ready to serve it, I'll put it in here, mix it up, stir it up real good again, and then pour it into the container that you are serving it in. Here is everything all set up, and what I did was I chilled the beverage without the club soda in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. But if you know you have something planned, you can go ahead and make it the day prior so that everything can really marry as far as the flavors. And right before you get ready to serve it, that is when you will pour the 1 quart of club soda into your beverage. You'll give it a good stir, and you are ready to serve your guests. It is just that simple, just that quick, and just that easy. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you give this recipe a try because it is really good and it is perfect for entertaining your guests, your family, your friends. And also share this video with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would love to have you as a subscriber, and make sure that you tap that bell so that you can receive notifications each and every time that we upload a video. And again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.